Shiba Inu just did something that couldn't be done. We just broke out of a 728-day decline that lasted more than a year. Is the market finally going up? Let us find out. Nota bene. Shiba Inu is still strong above a key support level, which shows that it might be able to withstand downward trends as the market waits for a possible bull run. But why should we be happy? With the start of a Shiba Inu bull market, Shiba token prices will continue to rise for a while. A general sense of optimism and trust among investors is supporting this trend. There are many things that this means for people who own Shiba Inus. It is possible that Shiba Inu tokens will go up in value by a large amount. This means that buyers could make money because the market conditions are right for prices to go up. When there is a bull market, there is more buying activity, which increases liquidity. This makes it easier for Shiba holders to buy or sell their tokens. In addition to the money that is made, a bull market makes people feel good about the market. This positive attitude spreads quickly, making Shiba owners more interested and excited, and it might even bring in new people to join the Shiba Inu group. A bull market in Shiba Inu is good for diversified portfolios that hold this token because it helps the general growth of those portfolios. Shiba Inu prices may hit new all-time highs, which will be satisfying for long-term holders and early adopters who saw the potential for big returns on their investment. Shiba Inu also gets a lot of attention during a bull market, and not just from individual buyers. They get attention from new retail investors as well as institutional players. The Shiba Inu ecosystem may grow and develop faster because of this increased exposure. This news made whales move around. At the moment, Shiba Inu whales are collecting Shiba Inu coins very quickly. It looks like one of them just put more than $50 million into it. In less than 24 hours, the whale quickly bought properties. The biggest deal was the buy of 10,000 Ethereum, which is worth $20 million. The whale also sent 60,000 BNB, which is equal to $13 million from Binance. Shiba Inu was the third most valuable asset moved. The whale bought 300 billion Shiba Inu coins, which are worth $2.5 million. It's interesting to note that the whale started to move around on June 8th of this year. Over the course of 175 days, it only recently began to gather these cryptocurrencies. The whale now has a total of $53 million worth of different assets after the big gain was noticed. What does this whale know that we don't? Is there something going on behind the scenes that we don't know about? Should we not pay attention to this whale or follow him and buy more Shiba? Let us find out. Crypto whales that look like Shiba Inus go on a big buying spree in a short amount of time. This is a subtle sign that the market is optimistic. This behavior is caused by a number of things that show how well the whale understands and plans to use their investment. The large investment shows that the people behind it are very sure that the price of the coin will go up in the future. When whales make choices, they probably look at the market conditions, possible triggers, and the overall mood. This is because whales often have access to advanced analytical tools and market insights. The strategic nature of a whale's collection is also clear in the way they can spot times when they think prices are low. By carefully picking when to gather a large number of Shiba Inus, the whale not only takes advantage of possible price differences, but also helps create a surge in demand, which could cause prices to go up. When the whale bought is very important because it shows that they have a positive view of the market's current and future situations. When the whale does something, it might send a message to other buyers, catching their attention and possibly leading to more buying in the market. Additionally, whales' tendency to think about the long term is shown by the large amounts of money they spend. Instead of speculating on the short term, these investors show that they believe in them. Other investors should be very careful when they see these signs, though. Even though whale behavior can be a sign of a healthy market, it doesn't mean that you will be successful in the future. The cryptocurrency market is still affected by many unpredictable factors. Individual buyers need to do their homework. Before you decide to spend, look at the bigger picture of the market and think about the risks that could come with it. In this case, though, it looks like this whale might know something we don't. What is it then? This is what people usually call insider trading. If you buy or sell digital goods based on private information, you are breaking the law and acting unethically. The public does not have access to this knowledge, which is called material non-public information, and it can help people make profitable trades. Insider trading gives people an unfair advantage over others who don't have access to this private knowledge. This goes against the idea of fair and open markets. Insider trading is against the law in the cryptocurrency space, just like it is in standard financial markets. The Securities and Exchange Commission and other regulatory groups are able to look into and prosecute people who do these kinds of things. Insider trade can lead to market manipulation, which is when people use what they know to change the prices of cryptocurrencies for their own benefit. Because many coins are decentralized and anonymous, it can be hard to police insider trading in this area. But regulatory bodies are focusing more and more on following the rules to keep the market honest. Cryptocurrency project teams are also required by law to share important information in order to avoid unfair benefits and maintain transparency. Still, doesn't it make sense to follow the crypto whale? You have to believe they know what they're doing, right? Even though it is illegal and wrong to trade on inside information in crypto, some buyers think it's worth it to keep an eye on what cryptocurrency whales are doing. The blockchain makes all of whales' activities public because they own a lot of digital assets. Watching what whales do can give you clues about how the market feels. For example, a whale making a big buy could mean that they are confident in a project or that they think good things will happen. As part of a trend-following approach, some investors watch how whales move and use that information to spot possible upward trends. That being said, people should be careful. Whales can change the way markets work, and what they do might not always be in the best interests of regular buyers. Tracking whale behavior should be a part of a bigger analysis that looks at the basics of the project, changes in technology, and market trends as a whole. Let me tell you something interesting one last time before I end. There are 4 different types of buyers in cryptocurrencies: the shark, the octopus, the jellyfish, and the dolphin. A shark is someone who puts in a coin or piece quickly, enthusiastically supports it, and then quickly leaves after making a profit. Their work is quick, they make money, and they aren't attached to any one coin or crypto. An octopus trader holds multiple coins or tokens at the same time and promotes each one with the same amount of passion. They try not to get emotionally attached to one group. A jellyfish doesn't have many crypto investments, which makes people afraid, unsure, and doubtful. Even though they have a small interest, they can hurt markets, especially when people are grouped together. On social media, a dolphin has a lot of power to promote a certain coin or token. They make a positive impact on the community by being friendly, working together, and communicating clearly. Which one are you? Leave a comment below. I'd love to find out that. This video has now come to an end. If you liked the video, please click like and let us know what you thought in the comments. This really helps me understand how YouTube works. Also, please tell as many people as you can about this movie. Let people know about this news.